These melt-in-your-mouth crock-pot cookies are grain-free, dairy-free, and free of refined sugar. These are your ingredients if you're using a 4.5 to 5 quart slow cooker. For a 7 to 8 quart slow cooker, these are your ingredients. A half cup of sugar is just perfect for me, but you can add up to a cup depending on your preference. Combine the coconut sugar and melted coconut oil. Then add the eggs, vanilla, and chocolate chips. Last, add the dry ingredients. Then you'll line your slow cooker with parchment paper rubbed with coconut oil. Cover and cook on low until the outside of the cookies are golden brown, but the inside is still soft. My old, smaller crock pot took about 2.5 hours. My new, larger crock pot takes 1 hour and 15 minutes. Once cooked, use the parchment paper to lift the cookies out of the slow cooker. For other healthy sweets, see my channel for cobblers, brownies, cakes, and more recipes that cut the gluten, bad fats, and refined sugar. Thanks for watching, and hit the cupcake to subscribe.